Hello kids, today we are going to learn all birds name in Hindi and English. So let's start video. Peacock, peacock. Parrot, parrot. Owl, owl. Pigeon, pigeon. Crow, crow. Hen, hen. Swan, swan. Cock, cock. Duck, duck. Dove, dove. Crane, crane. Eagle, eagle. Nightingale, nightingale. Quail, quail. Partridge, partridge. Ostrich, ostrich. Myna, myna. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Hippo, hippo. Hawk, hawk. Falcon, woodpecker, woodpecker. Vulture, vulture. Sparrow, sparrow. Hawk cuckoo, hawk cuckoo. Flamingo, flamingo. Skylark, skylark. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Bat, bat. Magpie, magpie. Peahen, peahen. Weaver bird, weaver bird. Sandpiper, sandpiper. Raven, raven. Swallow, swallow. Drake, drake. Kite, kite. Kiwi bird, kiwi bird. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.